Hello and welcome back to our channel where we discuss different platforms that will help you create online income and achieve financial freedom. Making money online and creating a business online requires a lot of hard work and dedication just like any other business, but the potential in gig industry is immense. Our goal is to help all of you to make your first dollar online and eventually earn $1,000 and even more in passive income. Keep in mind we only discuss and recommend legitimate businesses, and there is no selling of courses here, and there is no shortcut or get-rich scheme. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight to our topic for today, which is Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon KDP is a goldmine that has a lot of potential. Unlike dropshipping or Amazon FBA, it is not saturated yet and required way less budget to publish your digital products compared to the investment required for FBA stock. So, we'll be discussing what Amazon KDP is, the potential it holds for earning passive income, and tips for beginners looking to start earning money through KDP. Amazon KDP is a platform that allows authors and publishers to self-publish their books on Amazon's Kindle e-reader. The potential for earning passive income through KDP is significant, as once a book is published, it can continue to generate sales without the need for additional effort from the author or publisher. One of the great things about Amazon KDP is that it has the potential to be a very lucrative side hustle, even in 2023. With the growing popularity of ebooks, there is a steady demand for self-published content on the platform. Furthermore, with the increasing availability of outsourcing services, it's now possible to completely outsource the entire process of writing, editing, designing, and publishing a book and still make money. This means that even if you don't have the time or skills to create a book yourself, you can still earn money through KDP by hiring professionals to do the work for you. This can make it a very accessible way to earn extra income, as long as you have a budget for outsourcing services. For beginners, the key to success with KDP is to write and publish a high-quality book that will appeal to readers. This may require some research and planning, but there are many resources available to help guide you through the process. First of all, you will need to decide on a niche that has a high enough search volume and low competition. The niche here means the type of book you want to publish, and you can publish a notebook, a puzzle, a quiz book, or a journal. You can even publish a recipe book of your family recipes and make an income out of your granny's cookie dough recipe. These are all broad examples, and it's best to niche down and select a specific area. For example, a recipe book is a broad idea, but a low-calories recipe is a more narrowed-down niche that will cut down the competition and bring high-quality traffic. There are different ways to perform keyword and niche research that we will discuss in detail in a separate video. The first step after deciding on your niche and keywords is to research your target audience and competition. You'll want to understand what your readers are looking for and what other books in your niche are already available. This will help you to create a book that stands out and appeals to your target audience. Create a book outline. Once you have a good understanding of your niche and target audience, the next step is to create a book outline. This will serve as a roadmap for your book, helping you to stay focused and organized as you write. Your outline should include the main topics you want to cover and the structure of your book. Write your book. With your outline in hand, you can begin writing your book. The key to success is to create a high-quality book that will appeal to your target audience and stand out from the competition. This may require multiple drafts and revisions, so be prepared to put in the work. Edit and proofread. After writing your book, the next step is to edit and proofread it. This is crucial to ensure that your book is free of errors and easy to read. You can hire a professional editor or proofreader, or use online tools to help you with this step. Design a cover. The cover of your book is the first thing that readers will see, so it's important to make a good impression. You can hire a professional cover designer, or use online tools to create a cover that stands out and represents your book well. Format your book. Once your book is written, edited, and has a cover, the next step is to format it for Kindle. This will ensure that your book looks good on all devices and is easy to read. You can use online tools or hire a professional to format your book for you. Publish on Amazon KDP. The final step is to publish your book on Amazon KDP. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow the guidelines provided by Amazon to ensure that your book is accepted and appears correctly on the platform. Now, if you think all this is too much for you, here's the thing: you can outsource any and all areas. Just go to Fiverr or Upwork and hire someone to perform keyword and niche research for you. If you have an idea but are having difficulty in writing, hire a ghostwriter who will write a high-quality book and hand over all the publishing rights to you so you can publish that book. Look at these thousands of service providers on Fiverr that are willing to do the job for you for a fraction of the price. I will link some below for you to check out. Look at their reviews and compare costs and choose what is the most suitable option for you. So, friends, these are the steps you should take after deciding on a niche and keywords for Amazon KDP. Researching your niche, creating a book outline, writing, editing, designing a cover, formatting, and publishing your book on KDP are all crucial steps in creating a successful self-published book on Amazon. With the right approach and the right resources, you can turn your niche and keywords into a profitable self-published book on Amazon. But this is not it. If you're a newbie but do have any of the skills and are not ready for writing and publishing your own books, there are also opportunities to earn money by offering services to other KDP sellers. For example, you could offer editing, book cover design, or formatting services to other authors and publishers looking to self-publish their work on Amazon by creating a gig on Fiverr. Here is an example of a similar service. Look at how much this seller is charging for just creating the book cover, which you can easily do on Canva for free. And look at this seller, he is charging $15 for basic service and $40 for his premium services for just formatting the KDP book. This entire process will hardly take an hour, so this is $40 per an hour service you can offer as a freelancer. In conclusion, Amazon KDP is a powerful tool for earning passive income as a writer or publisher. With the right approach and the right resources, anyone can start earning money through KDP, even as a complete beginner. And there is also a potential to earn money by offering services to other KDP sellers. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching the complete video. I will add some of the service providers below in the description, and in the next video I will tell you about the tools that I have used for keywords and niche research, and I will also discuss some of the most profitable niches in my opinion. This is it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you do not miss any videos.